Did you know your hair tells a story about your body? When it starts thinning, it's not just about shampoo or styling. It's your body sending signals. Today, I'll break down why hair thins and what you can do naturally to help it grow stronger. No confusing science, just simple, practical tips. Welcome to the Radiant Wellness Hub, your go-to space for holistic health, fitness, and self-care inspiration. The first cause is nutritional gaps. Your hair is made mostly of protein. If your body isn't getting enough protein, iron, or certain vitamins, your hair can start to feel weak or fall out. Imagine building a house with weak bricks. That's what happens when your hair doesn't get the nutrients it needs. Your diet should include eggs, Greek yogurt, or lean meats, spinach, kale, and beans for iron, nuts and seeds for healthy fats and vitamin E. Even adding just one of these foods each day can make a difference over time. Remember, stay hydrated. Your hair loves water as much as your skin does. The second cause is hormonal and stress imbalance. Hormones are little chemical messengers in your body. If they're off balance, your hair might start shedding more than usual. Stress is like throwing tiny rocks at your hair. Some women and men notice more hair shedding after stressful months. It's called telogen effluvium, meaning stress makes your hair rest early. What helps is gentle movement, like yoga, walking, or stretching, mindfulness, or 5 to 10 minutes breathing exercises, and adequate sleep. These aren't just wellness tips, they directly affect hair health. The third cause is scalp and hair care habits. Your scalp is like the soil for a plant. If the soil is dry, clogged, or stressed, the plant won't grow well. Common mistakes that hurt your hair include washing too harshly or too often, overuse of heat tools like straighteners or curling irons, or tight hairstyles pulling on the roots. Instead, use gentle, sulfate-free shampoos, minimal heat styling, or heat protectant sprays, and looser hairstyles that don't tug at your scalp. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes can also increase blood flow, bringing nutrients to your hair. So, try these natural solutions and daily habits. You don't need expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. Consistency matters more than anything. Try these. Hair masks with coconut oil or aloe vera once a week. Biotin and DHT blocking shampoos if recommended. Balanced diet plus hydration every day. Think of it like watering a plant. Small daily actions equals stronger roots and healthier hair over time. Lastly, it's mindset and patience. Hair growth takes time. You can't grow back hair overnight, but your body responds to gentle care. Celebrate the small wins, like less breakage, softer strands, improved scalp health. Remember, healthy hair starts from the inside out. If you found these tips helpful, give your hair a little love today. Try one change this week. Could be a new protein, a gentle scalp massage, or a stress reset. For more natural hair care tips, stay tuned and check the link in the description for my recommended products that support hair wellness.